Hi everyone, Jiangxi Shifa Technology Company Limited is a custom rim manufacturer in China. Our proxy trademark, JOVA Wheels. We make full A6061 T6 forged wheels and magnesium wheels for cars. Our custom wheels include monoblock wheels, two-piece wheels, three-piece wheels, off-road wheels, size from 15 to 24 inch. We can make the wheels with carbon fiber cover, bead locks, decorations, and so on. We also do brand OEM, custom forging mold opening, wheel blank mold opening. Any size is okay. We can make painted wheels, chrome wheels, polished wheels, brushed wheels. Any colors such as black, silver, gunmetal, bronze, and so on. We make wheels for many forged wheels brands. We also have stock rims to fit BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and so on. Can delivery in 24 hours. Our quality department will strictly control the quality of the forged wheels, especially the wheels' balance and finish. JOVA Wheels do OEM and ODM wheels. We have rim designer team and will make the 2D and 3D drawing for your confirmation as well. Our professional experienced sales team will offer the best service. We can deliver the wheels all over the world. Welcome to visit our factory. You can meet JOVA Wheels at many wheel exhibitions like SEMA Show. Please text us to get catalog, our wheels, photos, and videos. Thank you.
Greetings from JOVA Wheels. We can provide 3D designs and photos during production. Our rims succeeded in bending, impacting, and radial fatigue test. Dynamic balance and roundness test will be conducted for every rim. Welcome to join us.